Hello everyone, welcome to our new showroom. Today is the last day of 2020. All the things will pass. Tomorrow is another year, and a new year, new lucky to us. I'm Cherry from Topa company.
Here is Kobe.
First, I will introduce our company to you, and then we introduce this 12 voltage compressor and also gas cylinder. Our Topa company is a one-stop manufacturer for PCB filling products. All products have this PCB hand pump, different colors, and regulator, fill hose, and fill station, and 12 voltage compressor, and fill prober. This is air cylinder, aluminum, and cabin fiber cylinder, and 220 voltage compressor. Different PCB hand pump. If you want to know more about PCB filling product, please follow us, and also you can send inquiry and message to our service people. They will reply you. And our product have past money organization certificate, Alibaba certification, TUA, and CE, and ISO. The product have certificated by this different organization. So the quality you must be assured. If you want to know other product, PCB filling products, please follow us and send a message to us. Now we will introduce this hot cell 12 voltage compressor to you. This compressor can be plugged in 220 voltage or 110 voltage, and also 12 voltage car battery. So it's convenient for using, especially for remote location. You don't need to look for 220 voltage power. No. The hunting is running. No, don't run. Oh, you need this machine can swallow your problem. You no need to find the 220 voltage power. You just take your car and connect 12 voltage car battery. Then it can fill your air gun. So use this machine, you can enjoy air gun sports happily. And this is a big pressure gauge. It can it can set pressure, can max to 300 bar. If you set pressure 200 bar, the machine will stop 200 bar automatically. So you can drink your coffee, and the machine will work for you. You as boss, the machine will listen to you. This is a LED screen. You can monitor the temperature here. When the temperature reaches to 80 degree, you must stop the machine and let the machine have rest. Make the fan working. Let the machine cool down. After the machine cool down, you can restart the machine. So please notice this. This will longer make your machine long life. And this is a compressor switch, and this is a fan switch. You just need to short press. No need to long press. It can work. And this is handle. It's comfortable and strong and durable. you can hand it, very convenient. And this is 8mm quick fitting. You can contact hose here, and also you can contact your air gun directly. This is explosion proof value. It can protect your compressor when the pressure overload. The air will leak here. Here you can see will leak here. The machine can stop and you avoid the machine damaged, and you protect yourself. And this is bleed value. You must release high pressure after to zero. Release the high pressure to zero before using the machine. And this is 220 voltage plug, and this is car power plug. When you're using car battery, there is one important thing. You must connect the clip. The red clip must connect to positive pole, and the black one connect to negative pole. Please notice, it's very important. And this is the fuse. Oh, what's the function of the fuse? Oh, do you know, Kobe?
I don't know.
Oh, this fuse is very important. It will protect your compressor motor and long life your compressor life. When the current is false and abnormal, this fuse can fuse itself and cut off the current, and then the motor will be protected. And this is super fan. The fan high speed can reach to 12,500 RPM. It can effectively dissipate the energy. And the big oil water separator, it can filter out oil and water in the air effectively. I have almost finished about this machine introduction. Do you have any questions? Let me see. Oh, no question. Oh, you must be very professional about these PCP products. Except if you have any questions or you want to know this compressor, please follow us and also inquire message to our live showroom. We will reply you. Okay, next you must be hurry to know how to use it and how this machine fills the air fast. Okay, let's test it. Okay, my colleague Kobe will introduce how to use it for you.
Okay, everyone. Now I will show you how to use the machine to fill a air cylinder. This cylinder is 0.25 liquid aluminum cylinder. First, we connect hose with machine. This is a 8mm quick connector. And then we connect hose with cylinder. before the air compressor working, we should set a pressure. This one we will fill to 20 MPa. We can set like this. And when the pressure arrived 20 MPa, means 3000 psi, this air compressor will stop itself. And first, let us connect the electricity power line. Before the air compressor working, we should open this pressure relief screw. We open it, and then we keep the fan, the cooling fan, working first. Oh, we can see it's a strong wind.
Wow. Wow. Flying. The river is flying.
And then we put on power, engine power working. And then we close this pressure relief screw. We will start calculate the time, and later we can see how much minutes we took for filling this air cylinder. Okay, we can drink some coffee.
stop automatically. You can see time.
I think
6
6
minutes,
minutes.
in 19 seconds.
Yeah.
19 seconds. Oh, it's a very short time. You can see the pressure we got the PSI. Okay, you notice the temperature. Notice the temperature is only
Okay, let us stop the air compressor working.
Yeah.
After the air compressor stop itself, we should keep the cooling fan working a short time for the air compressor working. It can help long life service for the machine. Then you also can save your money. First, we open the screw, keep the zero, keep the pressure.
Release the pressure to zero.
We
It's very
release the pressure to
important.
zero. It's high pressure.
Let the fan working more time.
Okay. After then,